time you saw one of these, 1954 Corvette, and it's been frame off restored. This car is amazing, in and out. It actually looks better in person than it will in this video. Beautiful paint, body lines, just the hubcaps, the wheels, all numbers matching. She runs beautiful, no sputtering, no smoking, just done. I left the top up to show you it's like brand new. Just look at how beautiful the lines are on that car. Everything works, all the gauges work, the wipers work, the lights work. Look at that front grille. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. It doesn't get nicer. 54 Chevy Corvette in pristine, frame-off restored condition. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.